Hey everyone, today we are going to look at LeetCode 623 add one row to tree. So in this question we have been given a tree, then a value and the depth. So if we'll look into this example, they have specified that on depth 2 we need to add a value 1. So in this question you have added 1 after that depth 2. So let's look some base cases. So if we have been given a tree like this 1 to 3, depth can be 1, 2 or 3. So we have considered the value as 0, and so if our depth will be 1, so that means we need to insert 0 above the 1. So it will look like this: 0, then 1, 2, 3. And if our depth will be 2, then that means we need to insert after the after the first after this one. So it will look like this: 1, 1, 1, then 2, 3. And if our depth will be 3, then it means like we have to insert after these two roots, which and it will look like 1, 2, 3, then 0, 0, 0, 0. So right now we need to first make the base case. So for the base case will be like if our depth will be 1, so we need to do one thing. We just need to put our root, like if this will be tree, we just need to insert one node to the left. So we need to make a node, and to the left of that we just need to specify the root. So let's see the code for this. So first of all we need to handle the base case, which is our when our depth will be 1. So for that, what we'll do, we'll just if depth equal to 1, we'll just store the we have stored the root to the left, and in the root we'll just assign. So for that we have assigned the new value, and so we'll just add the left to the root. To that node we'll just assign our root. So this will be the base case, and else we'll just call our helper function and do some task. So here I have given 2. Why is that? Because like I have already handled 1, so we will be starting by 2. Okay, so let's write the helper function. So let's look at the helper function now. So in the helper function, we will have two things. So if we'll consider this tree, you can see the depth is 3. So in this is the depth 1, this is the level 1, this is the level 2, this is the level 3. But in general, it's level 2, level 3, then level 4. So here in level 3, we want to add the nodes. So there can be two things. Either we are not in that level or we are in the level. So uh we'll just look into the one where we have found the level. So let's look at the helper function now. So in the helper function we can have two things. Either like we are in correct level, or we are not in the correct level. So what is the correct level? For example, we have been given the depth as 3. So we know in this depth we don't this is the level 2, this is the level 3, this is the level 4. So we know in the level 2 we don't need to add this one. On the level 3 we need to add. So if we are in the level 2, we will just skip that part. If we are in the level 3, will add the 1. So we'll just code the solution for level if we are in the correct level. So if so this is for when we are in the correct level. So what we'll do, we'll just do something like this. So what I'm doing here is this is the left part. Uh, what I have done here is I'm in this node 1, 2, 3, and I'm here. So uh, I'm here. So what I'm doing is for the left part, I'm adding one node. So uh, I will I will store the left part. So I will store this 2 somewhere, and after that, what I will do in the left, I will add a new value. So here you can see I there is one added here, and after that we'll just assign the stored. So we have stored this left, the roots left in this left variable. So we'll do in we'll just in in this one's left we'll assign that left, and similarly we'll do for the right one also. So we have done the root and the left and the right, and what we'll do after that, we'll just traverse normally. So this will be the case. Uh, and so this was for if we have found the current level where we want to add. So what about the other level, like if we have where we don't want to do any changes. So for example, if we have added here, so after that we want to reverse normally. So what we'll do is we'll just uh, solve it like the normal traversal. So right now in the else part, what we are doing is just we are just traversing it like the normal no, normal traversal. So this will be it. And if I will run this one, it should. Okay, this is accepted, and I think it will work for all because that I've already submitted this and it was accepting, and it was pretty efficient also. So this will be the code. Uh, See you in the next video.